Hold on, my buddy David Barnes here says he believes wholeheartedly that he can do the Cinnamon Challenge.
I don't think I said that.
Wholeheartedly, with enthusiasm even.
I don't think I said that.
Okay, but I'm here to document it. To get a little wide angle action. Go ahead, buddy. Whenever you see it. What's the matter, bub?
Oh my God, Jesus.
Was that worse than you thought it was gonna be?
Oh God. It permeated everything in there.
This whole kitchen smells like cinnamon right now.
And everything in here.
Oh,
Oh God.
you handled it a lot better than some people I've seen. All right, good job, buddy. Give the camera a thumbs up. Do I need to call a paramedic?
I got my brow teeth.